Hi there, students. Viable. Okay, viable is an adjective. Viable means that something is capable of success. It is practicable. It is able to continue. It is realistic and possible. So, when you have a problem, you need a viable solution to the problem. So, a solution that is within your budget and is not going to take years and years of work, well, maybe, and is going to succeed or has a good probability of succeeding. My friend John has a viable business. His business makes money. It doesn't mean he's very rich, but it's able to continue in the future. It's not going to disappear all of a sudden. So, I don't know, for example, growing vegetables and selling them. That is normally a viable business. Well, maybe it depends where you are. In the middle of a big city, it might be more difficult because land is very expensive, and maybe the land is so expensive that it is not viable to grow vegetables. Or maybe there is so much pollution that the vegetables are not good to eat. We need a viable alternative for our holiday because our plans have fallen through. You could have a commercially viable product, something that you can sell at a higher price than you have to buy it, for example, or it costs you to make. Notice we also use viable in biology. These seeds are 3 years old. Do you think they're viable? Do you think they are able to germinate? Let's see, a pregnancy takes 9 months, but a fetus after 12 weeks is not viable. It's not able to live outside its mother's womb. Okay, so something that's viable is something that has the possibility to succeed. It's realistic. It's not pie in the sky, an unreal idea. Yeah? Okay, so something that's viable, something that's going to work. Okay, viable comes from French, la vie, life, or Latin, vita, okay, which means life. So, viable, capable of living. Yeah? Capable of success is how we use it nowadays. So, next question, formality. I think viable is a pretty neutral word. Maybe I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality. But it's really flexible. You can use viable in the most informal conversation, and you can use viable in a very formal document. So no need to worry about the formality of it. So, something that is viable is something that it's capable of being successful. It depends how you do it, but it has the capacity to be successful. Or something that is able to continue living over time. Planting tropical plants in Scotland is not viable, yeah, because it's too cold, the climate's not right, and they're not going to live well. A viable solution, a solution that is practical and has the possibility of working. It doesn't have any unreal elements to it. Okay? So there you go, viable. Yeah, the word viable made a viable video, I think. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Viable.